Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax return for a TDS refund. We'll start by understanding what tax deducted at source means and why you might be due money back. Then, we'll go over gathering all your essential documents, like Form 16 and bank statements. Finally, we'll discuss selecting the right income tax return form for your specific financial situation. This step-by-step guide will make the process clear and straightforward. Now, let's dive into the specifics of preparing your return. First, obtain Form 16 from your employer, which details your salary and any tax deducted at source. Next, ensure you have all your bank statements and investment proofs readily available for accurate reporting. Finally, carefully select the appropriate income tax return form. For example, ITR1 is typically used by salaried individuals with straightforward income. Having these ready makes the next steps much smoother. Moving on to filling out your income tax return. Begin by accurately entering your personal details, income from all sources, and the tax deducted at source information. It's crucial to verify the TDS amounts from your Form 16 against your Form 26, as for consistency. Remember to claim all eligible deductions and exemptions, as these can significantly reduce your overall taxable income. Precision here ensures a correct refund calculation. Finally, let's cover the submission and verification process. Once your income tax return is complete, submit it online through the official government portal. After submission, you must e-verify your return using options like an Aadhaar one-time password, net banking, or a demat account. This verification is essential for processing. You can then track your refund status, which typically takes between 2 and 3 months to be processed and credited.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.